Hey everybody, let's take a look at Apple. I first of all want to apologize if I sound pretty haggard here today. I'm not feeling well. Got a bad cold, but I still need to do my prep work for the week ahead for my trading. So figured I may as well film a video while we do it. So here we are, Apple. So what I'm looking at on Apple this week is basically pullbacks are for buying. I would consider looking for longs in the 219.71 area. So basically, the trend is up right now. The Williams Accumulation Distribution Index is above its 57 period moving average. So any pullbacks into the moving average channel low, which is 219.71, would be a suitable place for me to look for entry triggers on the 6 hour time frame. Now, on the monthly, the pullback would have to be a lot greater for me to get involved on the daily chart. That'd be a pullback to 192.46, which is a long way away from price. So basically for me, Apple is at a strong uptrend. Any pullbacks would be for buying. Depending on the time frame that you're trading will kind of depend on which levels you should consider doing business at. So again, in this case, strong uptrend. The accumulation distribution index is well above the 57 period moving average. Pullbacks into 192.34 would be for buying if you get a trigger on the daily. That would be a daily divergence trade trigger, 18 period moving average trigger, or 10 high, 8 low moving average channel trigger. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at from perspective of buying the dip on Apple. If it does dip, I think it's a great buy. Now, looking at divergences on Apple, we see that there are some divergences actually. There are some bearish divergences, but these are just set up. They're not triggered. So these black lines that I've labeled on the chart here, that's what the oscillators would have to close beyond in order for this divergence to confirm. So nothing to worry about at the moment here. The highest or the lowest time frame I like to look at divergences when I'm just looking at divergences is the monthly. I like the quarterly and the monthly. I only consider weekly divergences when I'm using my 3-month moving average channel strategy. But so this is for Apple. Basically, buy the dip. If we do get a dip, like last week closed as a down close candle. So if we do get a dip down to 219, basically, I think that's a great area to look for longs on Apple. So if you have any questions about this outlook for the week ahead for Apple, you can feel free to shoot me a message. And until then, I wish you a good week and good luck and good trading.